In this short video, I'll show you how to transfer data from iPhone to Android. Switching from iPhone to Android can feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to moving all your important data like photos, contacts, and messages. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including transferring contacts from iPhone to Android. And together, we're going to explore this process step by step. Stay with me until the end to learn all 3 steps. Now let's get started on how to switch data from iPhone to Android seamlessly. To transfer wirelessly, ensure both devices are connected to Wi-Fi. Then head over to your iPhone settings. First, you'll want to back up your data to iCloud for safety purposes. Go to your profile, select iCloud, and turn on the data you want to transfer. Don't forget to disable Find My iPhone to avoid any interruptions during the transfer. Once your data is backed up, take your Android device and open the settings. Now, look for Accounts and Backup. Depending on your device model, this may vary slightly. Select Bring Data from All Device, and then tap Receive Data. Choose your iPhone. You'll receive a prompt on your iPhone to allow access. Be sure to select all the data types you'd like to transfer, as this step is crucial for a smooth transition. If you forget to select everything, you might miss out on some important files. Hit Transfer and be patient, as this process may take some time depending on the amount of data you have. Another effective method is using the iPhone to Android transfer app, which simplifies the process significantly. One of the most recommended apps is Copy My Data, available on both the App Store and Google Play. Once installed on both devices, the app enables a direct Wi-Fi connection, making it easier to transfer data like contacts, calendars, and media files. Just follow the prompts within the app, and in a few simple steps, you can choose which data to move without relying on cloud storage or complex setups. What makes Copy My Data particularly user-friendly is its straightforward interface, designed for users of all levels. No complicated settings are needed, and the app walks you through each stage, ensuring a seamless connection between your iPhone and Android device. Whether you're transferring all your data or just specific files, this app gives you the control to customize your transfer. For those looking to transfer WhatsApp data, apps like iCareFone and iTransfer for WhatsApp are invaluable tools. Unlike general data transfer apps, these are specifically designed to manage the complexities of transferring WhatsApp messages, including chats, images, and videos. This is crucial since WhatsApp doesn't support direct transfers between iPhone and Android through its own platform. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Apple and Android tips. Now let's continue. You can also utilize Google Drive to transfer all your data from iPhone to Android simply and effectively, especially for larger media files like photos and videos. First, you'll need to install the Google Drive app on your iPhone from the App Store. Once installed, you can back up your data, including contacts, calendars, and photos, by uploading them to your Google Drive account. This ensures that your files are stored securely in the cloud and accessible anytime. After uploading the desired files, you can easily access them on your Android device. Simply log into the same Google Drive account from your Android phone, and you'll have instant access to all your photos, videos, and documents. This method is especially handy because it eliminates the need for any physical cables or complicated software, and the files remain accessible across multiple devices. You can download your data directly to your new Android phone or keep them stored in Google Drive for cloud access. This method is particularly useful for transferring media files, as Google Drive supports large file sizes and provides a smooth, cloud-based solution. While it may take some time depending on your internet connection and file size, it's a reliable option for those who prefer storing their data in the cloud. To explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.